Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss on one of the most common error that is happening on index. Like whenever our index is getting unstable, that time while executing any select query through a SQL developer, or even whenever you are trying to fetch any data and your index will be unstable, you will not be able to get that output. And even if you are doing a data loading, in that situation also, if you will be facing this ORA error, ORA-01502, index or partition of such index is in unstable state. So for those situation I am going to discuss that how we can resolve this issue. So basically, whenever you will get this error through SQL developer, or even through directly through command prompt, you have to go for index rebuilding. And also there is a way, like if there is a multiple index that is getting unstable, or like your whole database index is getting unstable, so for that situation there is another method that I am going to discuss in this video, that we have to use it to resolve our in our case. So first of all, you have to connect to SQL plus, and then you have to execute select honor comma index underscore name and comma table underscore name select from db underscore index. By using this view, you have to form a query, and then you have to see the honor index name, and it belongs to which table, and then the status of that index. So obviously if it will be unstable index, it will be invalid. And by the another select query that you have to execute to get the information of honor and segment and the size of that by using a db underscore segment, you have to write this query, and you will get the detail of honor, segment and size. So once you get this information, you have to set your schema by setting alter session set current schema is equal to schema name, and then you have to rebuild your index by using alter query alter index name and rebuild. And also you can do alter index rebuild online. Both way it should work. And once you rebuild your index, if the count of index like unstable index will be 1 or 2, then you should go with this query alter index rebuild or alter index rebuild online. Otherwise, if the count is too huge, like if the count is more, then you should prefer another query. And like once you will rebuild, you can check by executing this query. You can check the status of your index, and then your issue will get resolved. Otherwise, if the count is higher, then you have to use this query. It's a dynamic query. With that, it will fetch all the indexes which are unstable. It will give you chance to rebuild all the index in one go. Like it will form a select query. By this select query, it will form a alter statement with all list of unstable index. It will generate a query alter index name rebuild. It will generate a query, and once you get the all list of alter statements, you have to execute it all in one go, and then your issue will get resolved. Hopefully I think this will help to resolve your this database error. So thanks for watching. Please, if you like, please subscribe my channel.